everyone, my name is Doris from HSCP Machinery China. It's my great honor to stand here to introduce our best-seller machines, that is CP folding machine. Okay, now I will show you around our workshop now. This is the second floor workshop in our factory. Now you can see the CP folding machine was manufacturing here. Now our workers, our masters are busy for testing the machine well for customers. We have three different feeding systems. Here you can see this is the gantry pallet flat feeder. The second feeder is round pail feeding system. The third one is flat pail feeding system, flat pail. Okay, for the size, we have three different normal size from our customer's requirement. That is 660. 780 and 800 millimeters wide. Different with MBO or Star folding machines, you know. Here our CP folding machines is, we have 4 buckles and 3 knives. 4 buckles and 3 knives. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 buckles and 3 knives. 3 knives. Here. Here and there. Different with MBO Star. Our third knife is electronic knife. As you know, we have 3 knives, so it can be very easy to make the signature. Mostly of the signature is 32 pages. Okay, next I will show you the stackers for short. This one is the horizontal stacker. The second stacker is a horizontal packing stacker, and the third is stream pressing stackers. The third one, stream pressing stacker, is normally used for the oil ink deliveries. Our CP folding machine is the best seller in China market. The annual sales quantity is more than 300 sets this years, and totally there are more than 5,000 pieces of CP folding machine running well in the market, and they get very good feedback from customers. So if you invest one CP folding machine, no need to worry labor shortage, and no need to worry to increase your production output. Thank you.